Hey y'all, this is Quita with the Quitassential Life, and I am here to put on the nails that my Instagram followers selected to be my next set to put on. I'm showing you the things I'm going to use. This is a nail prep that dehydrates the nail so that it sticks better. I've got my nail glue. I have some other things here that I may or may not use, not too sure yet. And some gel for the top. Of course, got my nail files and remover just in case. Now, these are the nails, number 4 that you picked, and this little packet came in there. I'm showing you the Kiss glue off that I just posted a video on. It was an epic fail. Then I am taking my little coffee break. You know how I feel about my coffee, but this particular mug, Camilla in Madam Vice President, is in my Etsy shop. So we're ready to get started. What I'm doing first is just taking the buffer and buffering the nails, the length of the nails, as well as the sides. You really want to take your nails down, your natural nails down, and keep them short during this process. So that's what you see me here doing, just buffing the nails, getting a little rough edge on them, but smoothing them out at the same time, and making sure that we are getting the length of our nails. With the regular file here, we're making sure the length is right at the quick, won't go beyond your fingertips. So that's what we're doing here. That's what I normally do when I'm putting on a set. And getting some of the dust off. This is what we're looking like. I'm showing you what I use in between nails. My Sally Hansen Hardest Nails, my nail elixir to strengthen my nails, and cuticle oil, of course. So that's what I use in between the nails. So now we have here, me actually already set out the nails that actually fit over my natural nails, and have started to put them on. So really, you've already roughened your nail bed, but you need to take that buffer block and just sort of file a little bit to make it a little rougher inside the nail, because it's smooth in there, and you want the glue to attach well and not come off easy because it's so smooth. And that's just me wiping off the dust with a little bit of alcohol. Then I put glue down the center of the nail and a little circle of it in the nail itself, and start from the cuticle end and lay it down. Then I'm pressing from the sides, and I take the orange stick and press from the middle to the edges to make sure you're getting any air bubbles out. And then I'll put some nail glue right up at the underside of the nail where your quick meets the nail to make sure we're not going to have any leaks. And then we continue with that same process. Okay, we have all of our nails on now, and we are just taking the buffer block and hitting some areas that got a little glue right there on the edges, but we're generally buffing down those very sharp corners of the coffin nail and rounding them out. And now I'm taking my little coffee break. You know that's a must, throwing that in there. But we are in the point where we're finishing up our nails and taking a look at how they look. And here we have the full set. And I am going to, these are matte nails that you all picked. Thank you again. And I'm just putting a little bling on 2 nails on each hand. So this is just a regular polish. It's a Milani polish that is white with some sparkles in it. So I'm adding a little bling on top of these matte nails. And making sure that's covered around the edges. You see this is Milani. And you can see the white sparkly areas that are on the nail. So while that's drying, I'm picking 2 other nails on the other hand to just bling out a little bit with this sparkly nail polish. Closing that up and testing to see if that is dry. Now we're using our no wipe off gel. You see I've got my UV light here, and I'm putting the gel on and making sure I get it from around the cuticle area. You don't want that gel to be overlapping onto the skin, so I just use a nail to make sure I get it off. So we have put a good coat on of the no wipe gel, taking it off of the cuticle area, and you see the light come on. That starts our 2 minutes. I run it through twice just because, but you see the 2 nails on the other hand that I have already put the polish on. Now that that's dry, we are going to put our no wipe gel onto those 2 nails and fire them up under the UV light as well, removing the extra gel around the cuticle, the nail bed area. Doing the same thing with the no wipe gel. I love this because as soon as it comes out, your hands come out of the UV light, you have no wiping to do. It's perfect, it's done, and we're all good. So this is our finished product. You see I'm just touching the no wipe gel, so you can see I didn't have to do anything to it. And we're now just adding our cuticle oil that we want to rub in as the finishing touch to our nails. Looking good. Rubbing that in around the cuticles and taking it down the finger, rubbing it around the hands, fingers. I so appreciate you all coming back, spending time with me. Every moment you give me is precious. I am desperately on my road to trying to be monetized. You see our final product here, and I thank you so much for every moment you spend with me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Please come back again. And I love the nails that my Instagram followers pick. So this is the final result. Thank you all. I'm showing you different angles, and come back again.